Hello, third grade parents. Today we are going to be talking about what we have been doing in reading and writing and a resource that your child can use at home. So we've been working on nonfiction standards since November. Right now in reading, we've been talking about biographies, learning about what a biography is, the elements of a biography, and text features of a biography. And in writing, your child has been learning how to form an opinion on something, give their opinion, give reasons to support their opinion about different topics. So today we are going to show you this great resource that is on LaunchPoint called Newsela.
Newsela is a great resource for students to access at home, and your child will be able to look for it on LaunchPoint. It's this icon named Newsela. They'll click on it and this will appear. So the majority of Newsela articles are nonfiction. They're very informative news, but we also have fiction, poetry, and different genres that you can or the child can access here. But like Ms. Dela Cruz said, we are working on biographies and opinion writing. And if you or the child clicks on informational text, here are a list of articles that they can read. Well, here we go. But if we're looking at specifically an opinion writing, or let's say in reading a biography, we can type in biographies, and as you can see, we have some suggestions. The child will be able to click on a text or an article that most interests them. This is based on reading level, and Newsela gives your child the reading level that they are on. When the child is reading the article, a really good resource that it has is this activity section on your right. They can write a short response about either topic. Well, here it's my class, but they can also take a quiz, and the quiz is important because it checks students' understanding and also reinforces what we're doing in reading with how to answer multiple questions and making sure that we are reading the directions and finding the directions in the text. And another cool feature that Newsela has is if the child highlights any important information, they can actually color code it based on the color they choose or the question that they're working on. So that is also a resource that they can use at home. So now I'm going to show you opinion writing. If they go ahead and type opinion, a source of sets of text will appear, and the child can read the opinion writing or the opinion article and also do the activity to reinforce that they are understanding what they're reading. And another thing that Newsela also has is the text features that we talk about with nonfiction, such as headings, bold words, and elements like that.
We hope that you have found Newsela to be a great tool for your child to use at home to help them with their reading and also to help them continue to work on their reading and writing skills in the home. And this is just a great way because we're also able to see, once they've submitted something or worked on something, we're able to see what they have done. So it's a great tool, and we hope that you are able to use it at home.